Good morning. It is, hold on, I'm opening the video. It is, I don't know what the date is. Alexa, what's the date? It is Saturday, August 26th, 2023, and it is 7:17 a.m. Too early for me to be awake right now. Good morning. We got up really early this morning so we could go to Scooters because they have doggy bandanas and pup cups, pumpkin spice doggy treat things in them. And they're having a contest where you can submit your doggy's picture and then your dog could be the dog on the billboards for Scooter's Coffee.
Hey.
And that would be amazing. Kind of doubt that it'll happen, but you don't know if you don't try, right? We are going to the air show today, which is, no, we are going.
Oh.
Which is what, Robert Thomas? The air show. This guy is going to kind of tell us what the air show consists of.
So, air show is going to consist of aerial acrobatics by various styles of aircrafts, various planes on the ground that we can go walk around, possibly even walk into, depending on the plane. Maybe we'll see. That may have changed. I don't know. Last time I've been to an air show was quite a while ago.
We know that there was one when we lived at the last house, right?
Yes, but we didn't get to go to it.
We didn't get to go, but we live out where the airport is, kind of.
Yeah.
So we get to see them flying over the house.
Yeah.
They've actually flown like right above our house and they're super low.
Yeah.
So it's really, really loud when they practice, but I'm pretty sure practice is over.
Yeah.
And then it'll end on Sunday. We have not taken the kids ever. I've never been. You have been.
I've done a couple air shows growing up out in Nevada, and then I've also been a part of security for a couple air shows in the military.
He used to like.
And before we went into the military, we got a picture with one of the Blue Angel planes.
Yep.
Daddy got a picture with one before me.
Yep.
But yeah, he used to watch planes when he was in the military, and that's when we first started talking. And like he would text me and say that he misses me and I'm beautiful.
Yeah, you got married, yeah.
You're gross.
And look, 10, 11 years later, here we are.
There's still love in the air.
There's still love in the air, get it? That was awesome. We are gonna be leaving about 9-ish to get a parking spot at the air show.
I thought we were leaving this at 7.
And
Welcome to
I'm pretty excited for it, not gonna lie. Say good morning.
Good morning.
What are you most excited for the air show?
Blue Angel, but that's the only point that I actually know.
You're excited to see them?
Yeah.
Do all the fun tricks in the sky.
Yeah, yesterday I saw like one of them made with that smoke made like a pea.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. What?
Okay. I love you.
Honey,
You're my favorite.
you're my favorite.
Really?
Hey, you can bring your camera.
I can bring my camera?
Yeah.
That's my story and I'm sticking to it.
Donuts.
Donuts!
No coffee.
Hang on.
Guys! Brandon, stay here, please. Don't those look good, guys?
Yes. I want that one.
Is that good, Brandon?
Mm-hmm.
How about Rowan?
Yes.
Yeah.
Don't play right Disney World.
Oh, yeah? From
Yeah.
Disney World?
Yeah, definitely not. That would take a couple of days to get home.
Maybe I had him ordered beforehand.
Mama.
So he's almost done with his.
Our photo.
And then I got the whatchamacallit, what is a long john?
Cream-filled Long John.
A cream-filled long john. Don't. It's not funny. It's not funny. We're on our way, and there is a whole line of cars there, plus behind us.
Building out there.
There's buildings over there?
Yeah.
Oh.
And also there's one broken one.
Uh-oh.
Kind of.
These are broken.
But,
It's a big hole.
we didn't leave.
Yeah.
when we should have. It's fine. We'll get there eventually, right guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right there.
Oh.
Oh.
Where?
Oh, there.
Over there?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Make it.
You ready to see airplanes?
Yeah. Jet. I want to see a jet.
You want to see a what?
Jet.
Jet.
I want to see a blue gale. Wait, no. Blue angel.
What do you want to see, Rowan?
Blue angel.
Me too.
Mama. Maybe at the helicopter. Mama.
Brandon.
It was about to go through that building.
Oh yeah? An airplane went through that building?
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh my gosh.
Ready, Mama?
That's
Brandon.
a military helicopter.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
Military helicopter.
That's a tiny plane, Dada.
Planes. The kids, well, all of us technically can go in there and look. It's freaking cool. That's how big a plane is. This close. Crazy. It's inside the big plane.
This thing is the toilet. Mama. Why the
What?
toilet here is the toilet?
So they can use the bathroom. Wouldn't that be a grand thing? If you really had to pee, you might want to go somewhere. What?
How are you today?
What?
I just not fixed yet.
It's not fixed yet? Oh, is it broken? It's a seat.
It feels soft. That feels kind of soft. Why do they need a suit for a plane?
It's a chair. It's a seat.
We'll take this. We've taken it to Japan and the Philippines, over to
Rowan,
Afghanistan,
you're flying.
Indonesia.
I was like,
That's cool. Put your hands on the steering wheel.
Okay.
Look at me.
I see it's soft.
Brandon, what do you see?
Are you the navigator? You're gonna make sure we don't get lost? You got your map right there.
Got a map.
You got a map. You can tell us where to go.
Brandon, you can tell us where we're going?
Carson.
Cargo? We flew down empty, and then we.
What do you think of it? Carson, look at all that. You like it? Is that cool?
Yeah.
Are you gonna drive? You can't see.
If you pull it back, the houses get smaller.
Rowan's wearing my sweater. He's cold apparently. Let me see. Looks good.
It's a cold man.
You're not. Who else do we have over here? Brandonito. And a Dadanito. Look at that, guys. Wow. Then there's a Rowan. We got stuff, guys. Yeah. Show me your lanyard. The thing around your neck. Wow. This one's called the Buzz Boy. It's cute. What do you think? That's cool, huh? Lots of people here. That's a 504. I'm not sure. Up close, these are huge. Always behind the scenes, getting memories of Daddy and the kids. What's this one, Dada?
Mom, those are jets. Look at the back.
A-10 Warhawk.
Which is what? Huh? A fighter jet. Okay, got it.
The barrel is almost the entire length of the cockpit. They have motors with all the ammunition.
Look at the teeth. He's explaining to the kids what these do. Since Daddy was in the military, he kind of knows more than I do. So this is the front. You like it?
You've got 15 minutes today. Don't go home to walk the sign and have the special dance Friday.
Carson, what do you think?
What'd you guys get? Lemonade. I'm here. Hi. From Czech Republic.
Well, you don't want to.
What is it?
A military helicopter.
What's a helicopter?
It has an N for Husker on it.
A what?
An N for Husker.
Ew, we don't like that.
That's in for
Brandon, what do you
Nebraska.
see?
Back here in What?
Chicken ducks the band.
Do you need help? No, boy.
I got some neighbor.
Hi. You're riding in the back, huh?
What do you think, Carson?
Any questions?
I do. At what age did you realize you wanted to do this?
Well, I got into this later in life. I was enlisted and ground for 12 years.
I am in the very back.
Hi. What do you think?
Good.
Good. What do you see, Brandon? Yeah. It fell down? Wow. Brandon, what do you think? Are you tall enough?
Tall enough, Brandon?
Yeah. Brandon, can you see out the window? Little navigator thing, I think. Rowan's getting there where he can kind of see. What do you think? Could you do that?
What?
Could you do that?
I want to drive a
Helicopter?
Okay. Guys, show me what you got. What are those?
Blue Angel plane.
Blue Angels.
I guess we're not the secret.
Let me see the side of it. Cool. We're gonna see those soon, hopefully. Okay, it is, hold on, 6:49, people.
Been up for over 12 hours.
12 hours.
13 hours.
Where am I gonna put you? Somewhere. We were gonna leave, and then they finally were talking about getting started with the Blue Angels.
Yeah.
The Blue Angels. So we stayed, and we got to see most of the Blue Angels show, tricks, whatever. Really cool, by the way. All the planes that we did see were awesome. The kids got to go in some of them. They got pictures with a lot of them. It was just a very long, exhausting day. It wasn't really, it was hot, but it wasn't like super hot. So that was kind of nice. But we all got sunburned. I don't know if you can tell, but my face is super red. But it was a great day. We just got home from visiting our friends across the street. Rowan's gonna break his toy that he got. But I'm gonna end this vlog because I am exhausted. So thank you for watching. I hope I can get some pictures in here and a lot of video from the planes and stuff. So I will see you in our next video. Boom. Look at Mama. I love you.
Executive and an interstadial
They're going in space?
Only count of three, get money. Vote to the left, we don't want hell. If you ever see me broke, I'm probably rocking the cash. Pretty face, no waist with a big old bag.